Hi guys, welcome to weekly Forex forecast for the 23rd, 27th of January. My name is Andrei Shinetsky. I'm a technical analyst at AAFX trading company. As usual, we begin our forecast with Euro USD currency pair. As you can see, Euro now is trading in consolidation. The lower border of this consolidation is our support level. It's 1.0580, 1.0609. You see that this level was tested wisely, and after each test the price grew up, and that's why this level is a crucial level for us. And also we need to highlight a new level of resistance. It's at the same time it's our higher border of consolidation. It is 1.0689, 1.0715. If we take a look at volume chart, you see that in these levels huge volume was concentrated. And if we take a look at daily volume chart, you see why this level of resistance should be highlighted. You see the huge volume here, so that's why we can reopen long positions only after the price will break out this level. So in such case it will be a good signal, a good scenario for opening long positions. Stop loss should be set below this resistance level, or if the price will correct a little bit below the correction, so it's our stop loss should be set our stop loss below the correction of the price, and our first target will be 1.0800, but it's only our first target. In case if price breaks out this target and there won't be any reversal signal, we can continue holding positions, because really after the breakout to this level we have more than 100 or even 200 pips of free way up. So you see that this deal has a good potential. That's why I really advise you to consider about opening this position, especially after the breakout of this level and fixation of the price about this level, or it will be even a better scenario if the price continues its growing up after the breakout of this level. So anyway, our price scenario for Euro USD currency pair is long positions. Our next instrument is GBP USD. You see that we have a really strong growth of the price, because the pound was supported by Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, Theresa May, during her press conference, and that's why this signal tells us that long positions are now in focus. So that's why I advise you to consider about opening long positions. We can open such kind of deals after the breakout, the final breakout of the resistance level. We need to highlight it. It's our new and fresh level of resistance, 1.2352, 1.2370. If you take a look at the daily volume chart, you see that huge volume is concentrated here, and you see that this growth was on really high volume. That's why it's one more sign for us that now buyers are in the market, and that's why long positions should be considered to be opened. Also, if you take at accumulation of volume, if you take a look at the accumulation of volume, you see that all the major of this accumulation is in the bottom of the chart. So that's why after the breakout, the final breakout of this level and the fixation of the price above this level, we can open long positions. The stop loss should be set below this level, or in case of correction from the current level, below the correction, and our first target will be level 1.25, So you see that it's a 1:1 risk profit ratio, around 1:1. But in case of breakout of this level, we have a huge next target. It's 1.27. So you see that this deal, this deal also has a good potential, like the euro deal. So that's why long positions for the pound is a really good scenario and a really good opportunity to make some profit. And our next instrument is USD GPY. Well, I think that this instrument is has the most confusing situation, because we have two strong levels, and we have a strong consolidation. We need to highlight a level of support, is a lower border of consolidation. It's 112.90, 113.51. If you take a look at this chart, you see a huge volume concentrated in this level. But if you take a look at the daily chart, you see that you see that here is a crucial volume, and that's why I don't want to open any short positions before this level will be broken out. And also we need to highlight, or even we need to say, that our resistance level still actual for us, it's 115.25, 115.57. You see that this level was tested twicely, and of course now it's also our crucial level, because after the breakout of this level we can open long positions. Really, if we have here a classic situation for trading in the consolidation, but if we take a closer look to the chart, you see that the price now closer to the level of resistance, and you see that the second part of the week the price was growing up. So really I like more long position scenario. So that's why really I think that it's more possible. So after the breakout of this level, the fixation of the price above this level, or the continued of growing of the price after the breakout of this level, we can open long positions. Our stop loss should be set, of course, below the breakout bar, and our first target is level 118.36, 118.44. So it was our previous level of resistance, and this level also contains a huge volume here. So that's why you see that we have a good potential, but really now this instrument, this deal, really I like it less than deals for the pound and for the euro. So really I advise you maybe to skip this deal, to skip this instrument before the price will break out this consolidation. So really the pound and the euro have better situations for trading. So USD GPY it's like an additional, but of course these two instruments are more likely to give us a good enters, a good positions, and a good deals, and of course a good profit. And our last instrument is gold. For gold we have a huge uptrend, you can see it here, and also we need to highlight a new level of resistance. It's 1210.90, 1216.90. So this level is real crucial for us. You see that huge volume is concentrated here, and this volume zone has stopped the price, the growing of the price. So that's why until the price will break out this level, we can't reopen long positions. But still, if you take a look at the left of the chart, you see that almost all volume is concentrated at the top of the chart. We have two strong levels of support here, and you see even here after it was this volume, this movement was after a good macroeconomic, after the release of good macroeconomic data for the USA. Even after this release, you see that a huge volume was concentrated here, and this volume has pushed the price up. So now only long positions should be considered to be opened, and that's why we need to highlight this scenario. So we need to wait for the breakout of this level by the price, fixation above this, or of course it will be even a better scenario for us, a better signal of further growth of the price. So it will be just a great signal for us for opening long positions. Stop loss should be set above the level from which price would begin its growth. So yes, and our first target, if we take a close, yes, and our first target will be level 1250. So you see that, yes, you see that we have more than 300 pips of potential growth. That's why this deal for gold is very profitable for us, and of course we can consider to open long position after the breakout of this level. So that's why we have a good scenario for gold too, and really I advise you to take a closer look to this deal. Besides it, if we take a look at our volume chart, it confirms that long positions are really more likely to happen, and that's why we just need to wait for the breakout of this level of resistance. And let's take a look at our economic calendar. You see that we have a few speeches this week, but of course the main event will be on Tuesday. It's EU membership court ruling, and of course the destiny of Brexit dependent on the on this event. From this event, that's why it's very important for GBP USD currency pair. Also, we need to highlight on Friday advanced GDP and the core durable goods orders. These two news are the only news for USD dollar this week. So you see that the main focus is on the pound, and in the end of the week on the United States dollar. So you see that this week is more comfortable for trading. We have really good scenarios for Euro and GBP. GPY, well, it's like 50-50 situation, and gold also in case of breakout of resistance of the level of resistance, it's a very good deal with great risk profit potential. So I advise you to take closer look to these three deals. Thank you for watching. For today it's all. I wish you really good and really profitable week. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.